Hello, my dear children. Now we will do the exercise of the topic gender. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. You have two columns, masculine and feminine. Under masculine, the first word is bridegroom. What is the feminine gender of bridegroom? Very good. It's bride. In the same way, you have to fill each and every blank. So let us see what are the answers. Masculine gender, bridegroom, and feminine of bridegroom is bride. Masculine is duke and feminine is duchess. Masculine is emperor and feminine is empress. Masculine is fox and feminine is vixen. Masculine is host and feminine is hostess. Masculine is monk and feminine is a nun. Masculine headmaster, feminine headmistress. Masculine hunter and feminine of hunter is huntress. In the same way, we have waiter, waitress, bull, cow, widower, widow, wizard, witch, negro, negress, governor, governess, poet, poetess. Question number 2. Pick out the nouns and classify them into masculine, feminine, common, and neuter gender. Write them under proper column. First sentence is men, women, and children wear new clothes. Now, children, here men is a masculine gender. Women comes under feminine gender. But the word children can mean both females and males. So it is a common gender. And clothes is an inanimate object. Okay, it is neither male nor female. So it will come under neuter gender. Similarly, you have to classify all the remaining nouns into masculine, feminine, common, and neuter genders. Let us first pick out the nouns. Second sentence, an architect designs buildings. Third, the neighbors knew that the boys always quarreled. Fourth, our landlady is gentle and kind. Fifth, the servant laid the table. Sixth, the governess took care of the princess. Seventh, the bridegroom rode on a white stallion. Eighth, a gentleman was travelling in a train. Ninth, my mother screamed when she saw a lizard on the wall. 10th, an elephant, a tigress, and a fox were sitting under a tree. So you have to make a table and make 4 columns: masculine, feminine, common, and neuter gender. And you have to classify the nouns into 4 genders. Okay, so in masculine we have men, boys, bridegroom, stallion, gentleman, fox. In feminine we have women, landlady, governess, princess, mother, and tigress. In common we have children, architect, neighbors, servant, lizard, elephant. In neuter gender, we have clothes, buildings, table, train, wall, tree. So I hope that you have understood how to classify the given nouns into the four types of genders. Thank you, children, and have a nice day. Bye.